So this is going to be my live reaction to the secret charm that we made for the blind boxes that we're giving away. Okay. Oh my god, I'm nervous. Okay. So there's 6 charms that you can get. We had sourced 5 of these already, but the last one we decided to actually like design. Oh, I'm nervous. Okay. Oh. You look at it first as if it's like a blind box. Here, pretend. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Can you see it?
Door. Open. Door.
So this is our first ever solid gold FashioNica bag charm. And it's a literal bag as a charm. How stinking cute is that? It has a diamond in the middle, and it's like the cutest little tiny bag that you can add to any charm on here. Oh, I love it. I love it. God, this is like my new favorite charm. I love this so stinking much. I'm so excited. Can't believe we're giving this away. So this is the secret. If you get this, congratulations, because we are only including 1 secret charm of the 100 that we made. Okay, we are off. Look at Gabby. What are you eating?
It was a cinnamon roll. It's so good from Ellie's table. Have you tried it?
Oh, I have. Look at this girl grip going on, you guys.
I was very busy this morning.
Where are we? Yes, I'm gonna do the same exact thing. I'm gonna put some lipstick on right now.
What lippy are you using?
Oh, you know, this has been my combo the past few months. Violet.
Oh.
This was my lip combo for my wedding, actually. So this guy. We're touching up our lips because we are at Remi's house. We are doing our next bag capsule drop with a very special guest, Remi, Mrs. Parsons. I'm excited because you're going to be selling a few of her bags. Today is kind of like the discovery, if you will. Trying to figure out what bag she wants to sell and helping her decide which ones to let go of, which ones to keep. With that said, we're gonna take some content today. But yeah, okay, let's take you with us today. So Remi got offered a bag that is probably one of the hardest bags to get offered. Hello.
Hi, sorry, I look really bad. Hi.
We have Mrs. Parsons here today.
I need everyone to know I got the text and I immediately texted Nika and I was like, do I buy this? And she was like, actually, before you took like 10 minutes to respond. I bought it in between because I was like, I know she's gonna say yes. No one else is responding to me. I feel like I need to get this right now. So she's here and you can do an unboxing.
Oh my god, wait, okay, you've already like opened it though, right?
I did, yes.
I'm not, like,
yes.
Okay, I don't want to tear through anything.
I'm like emotional. You're so gentle with it. That's why when she texted me, I was like, I think I need to get it.
Gabby.
The gas.
Wow.
It's so cute. I also didn't know it was a mini, and the mini makes it so much cuter. It's really so pretty.
Okay.
I can't like not smile.
Yes, it's a happy bag.
Oh my god.
I feel like
I'm actually profusely sweating.
Is so crazy to just be seeing this. I've only seen this on social media.
I think it's even prettier in real life too.
I think so.
Right? And I just like do this all day.
So this is a mini, but it's also a mini east-west. So it's not actually the same size as a mini.
You're kidding.
Because it's slightly
It
more
is a little
elongated.
wider, you're right. Well, now I'm really glad I got it.
Girl, your sales associate loves you.
Shout out Sherry. We love you. It fits your frame so well. It's beautiful on you. I really do love it.
Congratulations.
Thank you. I feel like I need to like spray it with like, do you think I should like protect it? No?
No, this isn't actually pony hair. So the sales associate was telling me that Matthew Blasi created a pony hair effect. So it's not actually pony hair, so it's not gonna like bald. So this one is pony hair. So over time,
you can see like the sheen of it actually. Yeah.
it's gonna bald though. So that's like the issue with pony hair. What she was saying though is like this,
It's so
he
cute.
created it so that it doesn't bald
Oh
over
my.
time.
Oh, that's. Have you been to Paris? You guys ever go? Yeah. Dude, did you try to get it?
Girl,
I
oh
know.
my
I'm all over the TikTok.
I effed up the last time I was in Paris. I went with my mom and we really clicked with the sales associate so much to the point where I was like, oh, do you have any bags? And she was like, oh, what are you looking for? And I said the words that you're not supposed to say. This is the golden rule. You don't say any Birkin or Kelly because that means you just want a bag. But I just blurted out because I was so surprised to hear her say that. But you have to say, I want a Birkin 30 with black. And then they're like, okay, and then you have to, not even just black, noir.
Yeah.
You have to like use the
palladium
term.
hardware.
Yeah.
So what did she say when you did that?
And then she was like, oh, no Birkin or Kelly.
That's the thing too. I'm like, I'm just like scared. It terrifies me.
Have you tried?
No, not in Paris. I'm like, I just feel like I would do the same thing though. Like I would go and like rehearsing it and I would just like blurt it out wrong.
Yeah. And the lottery system too. Like you try every day.
My friend just hit the lottery and she got it.
All right. So, Remy, we got some bags here.
So I got this bag. I believe it actually was in Korea, I want to say, or coming home from Korea after I had just gotten my color analysis done. And they told me that navy blue was my color and I was like, perfect, navy blue. I also have been trying to incorporate more gold into my life because I'm a silver girl. So this one I got because I was like, oh my God, it's so cute. It's navy blue, it's got the gold. The only thing is I've learned I am not a small bag girl.
We can take this one. This one is, especially because this is very you coded.
Yeah.
Like, I want to, when we curate, find pieces that are also, that have maybe like one or two other crystal bags that we can show.
I love a crystal bag. Also, Beyonce did wear this one, and this one's really special. It's like one of a certain amount. Like they didn't make that many. It's got like a strap and everything, and it's crystal strap. It's so good. I'm like honestly very in between on this one. I love it. And when Beyonce wore it too, I was like, oh, I have style.
Okay, I'm gonna grab Miss Evelyn next.
Yes. Okay.
Love.
She's so pretty. I saw on TikTok. Did you know? She's
so new.
I mean, I've never worn it. It's brand new. The H is supposed to go on your side. I didn't know because it's like a horse, like a bag to like not feed your horses, but like to carry all your horse stuff.
It's like
right?
horse, like grooming tools.
Yes.
This is so helpful. I'm like jotting down notes in my head so that we can figure out how we want to curate, but
I'm so excited to see like what you bring.
I can't wait.
I hope there's something pink.
Oh, if you want pink,
Yeah,
then
I
it
love
gives us
pink.
time because like I think we want to do this in like mid-August.
Oh,
timeframe.
sweet. Okay.
So because we need to like have some time to curate
Oh my
and
God,
source.
yay!
So.
I was gonna say, you
I'm
would
sorry.
have loved our show yesterday. It was all blue and pink.
You're kidding. Gender reveal. I'm always blue and pink. I love it. It's my favorite.
So maybe just think gender reveal. when
Gender
we're
reveal,
curating.
yeah.
All perfect. I'll wear blue and pink.
Well,
Trying to keep upstairs, like, you know, mature. Or this one or that one? In this general area, maybe?
Yeah, general area.
Okay, I'll look at the
general
umbrella.
area.
Okay. Hi, guys. Today we're doing a What's in My Bag. What's this called again?
The Wallace.
This is the Bottega Wallace in black. And I bought this because I have been trying to get more into gold, you know, very minimal little hardware. But also what's really cool about this bag is there's like basically two different sizes or two different like strap lengths. So you can go like this if you want it to be longer. Let's do what's in my bag. First up we have my phone, a little ASMR. This is the, I think it's the Wanhee collab from Casetify. Super cute, she's an eyelet, she's my bias. And then we've got the little strap as well, super cute. I've got my half-eaten Camp S'mores protein bar from Bear Bells that I was having for breakfast this morning. We also have my vlog camera, always vlogging. This is the Canon V1. What's going on in my bag? This is what I vlog on. It's amazing. I've got my little Casetify strap. I always have my vlog camera, my phone, and then also I got a work phone this year, and it's been a game changer for me. I got two phones. I then, last but not least, I found a secret Sunny Angel that we must open. This is the fruit hippers. Actually, I think it's like the harvest hippers because there's fruits and veggies. I want the secret. Okay, here we go. If you follow my content, then you know you have to say the chants. Sunny Angel, Secret Angel, give us what we want. Oh! That was a good one. I would really like to sprout today. That would be such a win for me. Here we go. You guys can see first. She's breached. The carrot! So cute. Honestly, other than the sprout, the radish and the carrot are my favorite because I love the little top.
Let's get cooking! Is this signed?
That one actually probably isn't. Wait, do you guys want one back? I can totally sign one if you want one, or you can take one with that.
Wait, no, I want to buy
Oh my
one.
god, you don't need to buy it. My matcha cabinet.
Wait.
This is where I spend all my time.
Oh my god.
How strong do you guys like the matcha? Like really strong? Kind of strong? I did 4 grams and I was like, that might be a little much.
I typically do 4 grams.
You do 4? Okay, so you like it. Okay.
Yeah, I'm like a 3.4.
Okay. Oh my god, wait, I love you guys now.
Gabby knows this, but when we went to New York last year, my whole team like loved matcha, but I was the only non-matcha girly, and so I kind of forced myself to like it to become a matcha girly. And I think over time, I just actually really liked it.
Yeah. Wait, so growing up, like you were never into like matcha ice cream or like any of just the flavor?
No.
Again, it's kind of an acquired taste.
I think that's why, because I grew up eating like matcha.
Yeah. Mine was always like matcha, the Haagen-Dazs matcha ice cream. I was like, this is amazing.
Or like the mochi ice cream.
Similar though to like matcha drinks, because like when I even like now when I have like a matcha ice cream, I'm like it doesn't really taste like.
It's like low quality for sure versus like the high quality stuff.
Yeah, that's probably what it is. Oh, I'm excited.
I hope I'm doing okay. I'm stressed.
Do you make it often?
I do, yeah. I'd say probably, I've been trying to cut back on my caffeine because I started breaking out in hives.
Oh.
And I was having heart palpitations last month. But I think it's just like I was really stressed from the, I'm gonna do more, from the move.
Yeah, moving
like,
is so
everything going
stressful.
on. So I think that was partially it.
Okay, I'm about to FaceTime Alicia. Let's see if she responds. She just texted me asking to see this bag. This girl, she loves her bags.
Oh my god. How was it?
Hi. Oh my god,
Did
that
you
was
see my text?
yeah, that was so funny. You didn't know that I
No,
was there?
I literally was like, wait, I just texted her. That's so funny. And she was like, I gave her like 20 bags.
I know. She did a great job.
Good, I'm so proud.
Yeah, I have her.
I've seen I've watched her for like the past like how many? It's been like 3 weeks. I feel like it's been on the site.
Yeah.
Or like 2 weeks.
You've been eyeing her?
I love her.
Okay, I'm gonna model her for you. Okay, so this is what it looks like on my frame. This is a newer style, but the reason I love this collection is because it looks like the vintage one.
Yes, that's why I was like obsessed
Right?
with it.
So big CC logo, quilting,
Okay, love.
back pocket, interior, card holder.
See, I love that. She's so good. Why has no one gotten her?
Also-
How's everything else going?
It's good, girl. Oh my gosh, it was really nice to like finally get to meet Remy. She's
Yeah.
so sweet.
She's the sweetest. But oh my god, also what you did for your mom was so sweet. I literally sobbed. That's all I have to say.
Thanks.
That's awesome of you.
Thanks, girl. I've literally had like poopy eyes the past couple of days. Yeah.
But no, that's so awesome. Congrats on that too. That's huge.
Thanks, Alicia. It's a really
Oh my
exciting
God.
milestone, but I appreciate
No,
it.
it is.
Okay, she's getting the bag. Oh my god. I'm such a Cancer. I've been crying so much the past few days. My aunt sent me this photo just now. The woman that raised me. My aunts and my grandma. Like, I want to go back soon. But then there's also so much work. Like, there's so much that's happening. I think I'm just honestly stressed too. Because we have some really exciting things that we're doing in July, but there's just so much that's going on in my head right now. I'm like looking at these photos and I'm just like, I wish I could remember that moment, like what was going on in that moment, like what did we do after this, after we took this photo? Like, did we just like hang out at the house? Did we go to dinner? Like, this is one of the last times that my grandma was in the US. but she's just too old now. There's just a lot of pressure right now. Okay, I think I'm done crying. Overall, it was a great day today. Okay, I'm gonna go now.